Hello, we are looking at the 1977 Chevy P30. Please notice up here, it's something that we just never fixed. Most people don't even recognize it. This has an electronic pull-out safety arm, unlike the others, which is manual. Also, please notice that the side markers are missing but will be replaced. I have two that are being delivered any day right now. Inside the truck you have your cold plate freezer, which you can hear is running right now. This machine here does take a little bit to warm up. I'm told by my refrigeration service that it's fine, but I can explain that in further detail. Inside here we have a 26 quart holder, your cash drawer, and your Hatsuki HC83E ice shaver. We have your freezers in here. That is a rust paint you can put on if you'd like. This does have a refrigeration compartment, a working refrigeration compartment. This truck is the only truck that has a radio, two large fans, and I think that's it. This also has a brand new locking door handle, which is very helpful when needing to lock up the truck. And lastly, this is a glass when the other is painted and you cannot see through. I cover that window in the rear with vinyl, so I don't really see a need for it. This truck starts very easily. Applying the brakes, and I could have even stopped faster. All three trucks have great pickup and they have great braking power. This truck is probably the smoothest ride of the three trucks, but it is the slowest to start. Acceleration is not its strong suit, but it does keep up fine on the highway. This is an ice cream truck, so you're not made to go extremely fast, but this will keep up with all traffic. It can go anywhere. That about does it. This is the 1975 Chevy P30. Here it is. This is an idle.